Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 Under 3, and I'll be covering trading education using the TC2000 and TradingView platforms. Hello, this is the stock indice review for the 12th of January. I'm going to go over the dollar first, just kind of looking at this reverse wishbone wedge, and you can kind of see the fishbone here as well, but basically you start off with the doji and then you get a harami that has two-sided fractal here, which shows an incredible amount of indecision for the markets, especially with respect to the US dollar, until price action breaks above this fractal high or this fractal low. We're going to be in some churn and burn here with the overall dollar, so just be careful in trading this. They call it a fishbone wedge because of the fact that it takes so much money from traders, so be careful with trading this. This affects not just the stock market but futures and also the forex, since the dollar is the global reserve currency. Looking at natural gas, peaked here and now has kind of tapered off with a small retracement. US oil continues to consolidate here as well. 2-year continues to gain strength. 20-year continues to weaken. We do have support levels here, the 102 level. 5-year is also consolidating here after a big move up, and so is the 10-year. Looking at the Russell, we have this kind of lazy head and shoulders here. We do have support level here, the 1900 level. We do have a target of 1684 to the downside, so this could be pretty significant. Gold as well started its move upwards. It is crowded long for a strong sell positioning, but it now has a target of 21.35 to the upside. S&P 500 is kind of toppy right now, but one thing I did notice here is this M formation happening, which is very bearish. We'll see what that happens as far as the S&P 500. Nasdaq is also showing signs of weakness, very bearish here. Could have an M formation, has a target of 14,974 to the downside. Dow 30 surprisingly has a target to the upside of 38,132 there. It's just consolidating here. It is crowded long with strong sell positioning that is happening. We'll see if it continues to consolidate or start to move lower. Looking at the trades for this week, now this is a trend following type of process that I've been using for many years. We traded, and looking at Bitcoin, have an overall initial gains to the upside at the beginning of the week, then an entire give back here. Squeaked out a $100 profit on that one. Oil was significant with its price action to the upside, and a nice $920 profit out of it. Bull Z were very significant in terms of overall profit. The nice gains starting here on Tuesday and ending here. Overall profit $5,210 on 1,000 shares. Cure standard climb to the upside. Overall gains of $2,895. Next one was Drip. Initial loss on Monday. Nice gains on Wednesday and Thursday. Overall gain for the week $220. Next one, Doug. Kind of same thing here. Do not trade any kind of openings below the previous day's low on these longs. 2 trades on Wednesday and Thursday. Overall gain $370. Dust. Initial loss here and got a little bit back. Overall loss for the week $130. EFA. Nice overall gain. Came at, this was treated like, this is a morning star, so this was treated like overall red candle when it's small until in terms of open and close. Did not take this trade, however did take this trade and got a loss of $210. Next trade was this, pretty much the same thing with all the energy stocks. Wednesday and Thursday were gains, $940 overall for the week. Fast, a couple nice gainers here through the week, and then some losses. Best one was on Monday, and so a couple of give backs on Tuesday and Thursday. Overall gain for the week at $310. FNGU, nice overall gain here on Tuesday, Wednesday, and a give back on Thursday. Overall gains for the week, 8K. GDXD, kind of a wash overall. Loss on Monday and a couple gain back, about $10 scratch for the week. GLL, same thing. Nice overall gains on Wednesday and Thursday, $400 for the week. JDST, same thing. Overall loss for the week though, with 2 losses on Monday and Wednesday, $160 for the week. LabU, in on Tuesday, tire give back on Wednesday, loss about $59 for the week. Nail, nice overall trades for the week. On Wednesday and Thursday, get back on Friday, $1,990 gain for the week. Pill, nice overall gains on Monday, get back on Tuesday, $359 for the week. SPXL, some nice gains here. Overall get back on Thursday, $770 for the week. SFIXI, same thing, some nice overall gains for the week, $2,500. We get back on Thursday. Treasuries didn't do so well, it was kind of sporadic throughout. Overall loss for the week for TBF, $310. TBT, loss of $340. TBX, loss of $150. As you can see, it goes green, then red, then green, then red. Pretty hard, choppy market here with that reverse fishbone on the dollar. TECL, nice gains to the upside, $3,430 for the week. TQQQ, nice gain here on Wednesday, get back on Friday, $700 for the week. UBOT did very well for the week, get back on Friday. Overall gain for the week, $660. UDOW, overall loss on Thursday at $320. UPRO, gain for the week on Wednesday, get back on Thursday, gain $420. UTSL, overall gain on Monday, get back on Tuesday, overall gain for the week, $300. Want, loss of $70. WebL, nice overall gains for the week, get back on Friday, $620. XPI, gain and then a give back, $90 loss for the week. XHB, gain on Wednesday and Thursday, give back on Friday, $250 loss for the week. XHE, gain on Tuesday and Wednesday, give back on Friday, $940 for the week. XTL, nice little gain on Wednesday, $255. Yang, overall loss on Monday, $420, and then the bids were lower here. Did not trade the rest of the week. CSL, overall loss on Wednesday of $40. It gave us 3 gains for the week, starting on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Now, one of the things that I forgot for the week was the fact that Martin Luther King's holiday was on that following Monday. So I missed that, and believe it or not, the 2 drawdown days were Thursday and Friday. Case in point, do not trade 2 days prior to a holiday. So you're looking at about a 10K difference with overall gains for the week, about 29K. But you're looking at losses about 10K that you could avoid it by just sitting on your hands on Thursday and Friday. Again, I've added this to the process, and it just slipped my mind in terms of Monday being a holiday. We had a big deep freeze this week, and sometimes you just forget to do things. So going over the rest of the markets here, looking at oil, like a W formation here. International markets, looking at Australian market, it's down with continued retracement. Swiss franc consolidating. China 50 still going down, but has now hit that collapsing dragon. So we could have some more pressure to the downside. We'll see. Spain is also going down, as well as Euro, France, and the Nikkei, on the other hand, skyrocketed up. So this was an interesting trade. If you trade the futures on Nikkei or any of the stocks that follow the Nikkei indice, this would have been fantastic trading going forward. I didn't do that. I didn't have an indice to follow the Nikkei. Netherlands, Singapore as well as weakening, and of course the UK. Still a lot of distance. It's right up against the 200 and the RL270, so we'll see if anything happens. Magnificent 7 is still on the downward trend, especially Apple. Amazon has shot up. So is Google. Right back up above this overall fractal high. Meta is shot up, after that $500 million sale. So is Netflix, and then Nvidia. Fantastic trades here for Nvidia. On 1,000 shares, it's a lot of equity though. 1,000 shares, this was a 27K day here, a 7K day here, and another 7K day here. This was a loss of $1,770 here. So this entire leg up here was fantastic as far as overall trading. Tesla, on the other hand, did not have a good day and is continuing to go to the downside. As the Magnificent 7, Tesla is the one that's faltering the most. 2-year continues to go down, along with the 5-year, 10-year consolidating down there, 20-year as well. 30 years gaining a little strength, so we'll see what happens. Bitcoin, after the announcement, interesting, did not shoot up, though it does have an overall target of 52,446 to the upside, so we'll see if it all rebound. This is definitely a sell the news event for a lot of people. Well, folks, that's all I have for the stock indice review. If you're interested in these kind of strategies going forward, or programming in PineScript or Python or auto trading, I have foundations courses and advanced courses and operations courses, as well as the Commitment of Traders. If you're interested in the Commitment of Traders, there is a CMR link up there with the Crowded Market Report. Great community over there. I'm a proud member of the Crowded Market Report. Click on the links if you're interested. And remember, ruthless risk management. Have a great weekend, everybody, and I'll see you on Tuesday. Well, if you like this video, hit the like rumble button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information, click the course information links below. On the TradingView link and on TC2000, I have an affiliate link. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.